juice when he done in the first party. Look at it now.
No, people. That wasn't the rule. That wasn't the agreement. The agreement was 1 glass to each patty. And I ate 2 patty already. So
hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Today we'll be doing speed eating, the mukbang version, and I'm doing it with
Twts TV.
And as you all know by now, he is my brother. So we have some juicy beef patties. We have, what is this, cheese. We have 2 cheese. We have 2 beef, and we also have 2 chicken, and we have an extra one. So we're trying to go 3-3. So he's supposed to eat 3, I'm supposed to eat 3. We'll see who can go, who can finish the fastest. God go with me and empathy here, guys. When I see no food, I can't eat.
Comment Twts below.
All my team Annas, please down below, come. Give a sister,
can beat Twts.
give a sister a little hope, you know. So I don't know. We're supposed to choose the 3. This is the what? The cheese.
1 cheese, 1 chicken, 1 beef.
Okay, so and we have orange juice here. We also have 2 glasses. However, the catch to this is we're not supposed to drink any juice. So
unless you tap out.
Unless you are tap out. God go with me because I'm a juice person. So somebody count me off. Count me off. I warm up. I feel like me I go win. No, no, no. So on the count of 1, 2, 3, go. Which one should I go with first, people? The chicken or the cheese? Chicken or the cheese? Chicken or the cheese? I'm gonna go with the, wait, put this seal together, the cheese. People, the cheese. And this is juicy patties, people. So, ooh, my belly full already, you know. Because I said the 3 patties, my belly full. Like, come on, you need to interact with your audience. People just want to win.
Don't have it with your mouth. Because you bun me bun.
People, I should have chosen a juice challenge.
People, me not lose a 5 grand the way she bet me. Me have to win it.
Ah, Jesus.
Look at that. Steam. The cheese just melting. The oil and the gooey. My God.
For all my overseas fans, yeah, me know now I say, Anna, why you do it? Me want party and this and that. More than likely, me gonna leave some of this film. So just text me.
More like me not left nothing no man. So y'all don't have to text me.
What if we can change the rule again? We can get 1 cup of juice. 1 cup of juice.
Per party.
Per party. 1 cup of juice per party. Well, what do say, people? On my game, on my rule, on my channel.
I just want to switch this. The party is sure. I want to be more party left win then.
That could have worked too. That could have worked too.
We are bargain for that.
People, we are born winners. One party never looked so big in my life.
People.
Like, the amount when we eat already, we should have done.
Winners watch winning, losers watch winners.
People, look at that. Ooh. All of that. Ooh. All of the good stuff.
You know that you? I'm going to video tell over there. Sister Anna did.
Who did?
Sister Anna. Her mother.
You lie.
Sure. Because like that. She dead, she can't get an iPad. One down. Okay. I'm happy. I think I'm looking good. Another one. Another one. Another one. I'm a pass and make a clear.
Don't worry about it, people. We are going to catch up. We are going to catch up, okay?
People, how come I kept mediation time and months are proven? I get time chances with her. No,
People, party hot a pepper, or party hot.
I don't know if you post a party video now, where you have the tasty party, mother's party, just be party. Not sure there. And how you did get the correct word party bad? Correct word party is bad. Correct word for the after.
People stay out. They must stay out. Stay tuned for my party video.
I mean, party videos. People on my second party, and right now, I'm gonna eat up this. You take a break and give her a run. But you try to catch up, you know? Comment team Twts below, you know? Cameras out. Look, all the YouTubers out there who will link with her, who will not link with, who we have a link with, who we should have linked with a long time. I'm like, woo, clapper, she's down 1.
So we are going to drink the juice now. 1 cup of juice to 1 party.
I can get this, maybe drink 2 cups of juice then.
People, honestly. If you say no, I stay off. That's why I like you over there. So I say, no man, Anna, drink little juice. That's why I like you so much. That's why I like you.
Yeah. Right.
People,
Yes,
give them.
So people, I feel some after eating that 1 party, me can up the orange juice. What wanna say? You over there saying like green blood. You, yes, you. Yeah, bad man, you know what I mean?
No back on her because she not win. I will go and she can't win.
People easy does it. Just watch the tactics.
No, she can't win. No, she can't win. I'm gonna say she not win. People, I'm gonna go over to my channel, Twts TV, yeah. The bossy bad. You see me? Bees eyes.
So alright people, we are gonna start to eat the Lord, I need to put in my contacts. Chicken Or the beef now. I want one of the people, me not think that party business is gonna work out. Me not think if it's too much fat. Too much fat is not good for you. Me not believe so.
People,
Me not believe.
the bring me a bag. People, cool down. Cool down, people. Yeah, I'm drink a glass of juice after I finish this and mix it ketchup. You know?
Go back to the front part of the video, people, and listen to what me say. Who eat the least amount of patties win. Him already lose.
Very. I play money here.
Him already
Five,
lose. Go back, go play over that video. Just go back.
Me pencil out for me, I spend my
Just go back, go play over that video.
Oh. No, one year. Bright. I want to see it.
Alright, people. We're going to eat the cheese patty now. The cheese. Me no want them because something here. I don't know. I mean one break off them here when I eat patty. I don't feel say me one.
People feel like that's a waste of time and waste of quality patty. That makes sense?
All of them because scriptsy party. I don't like it. It's too much.
For people, 2 glass of juice, my 2 bag of patty. I understand that
People,
juice
him decide never to drink the first glass, so he already lose because he should drink the first glass of juice when he done with the first patty. Look at it now.
No, people. That wasn't the rule. That wasn't the agreement. The agreement was 1 glass to each patty. And I ate 2 patty already, so I have 2 glass for each patty. Okay? Yeah.
People, if me bite the patty, me not go eat it again. Me no want to see. Me can't go no further.
So you forfeit.
No, me no forfeit. Me don't
You
forfeit.
forfeit. Just a forfeit.
Listen to this now.
Forfeit.
Me no feel say you eat too much
Forfeit
food in
is
a
a
one
word.
day. Like that's a wickedness because there are people out there who are dead for hungry. So me I put on this one another day. He not think about people.
Wait. Forfeit.
He not think about people. Like why you just don't eat 2 patty by yourself?
Me can I eat my
eat
nice
dinner.
patty and I think about people?
Hmm?
People that think about me when
You
I
should
make
not
nice
think
patty?
about somebody. I know somebody in the comment section right now. I go say, my God, me can get one of them patties.
No.
Here it is. You alone are gonna say me win. Here's
Right
the
now,
patty.
I'm gonna eat this
Take
one
it.
and that one and the next one. So,
Oh God.
you want patty, you buy one. Nobody never
Guys,
eats
I'm
patty.
not going any further. I hope that this video was interesting. I hope you got a laugh. And I hope who not eat me for patty. Because I know I'm going to go overseas people that are like, ah God, and I could I really come out with so much patty? Okay, me know what going over there, so I saw little brother behave. And that's why I adopted.
Wow.
That is why he's adopted. Just know so that's why I adopted. Thanks for watching. Until next time, it's your girl Anna.
TWTS TV! Ooh wee! Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
To like, comment, share, and subscribe. People, watch the ads.
Yeah, support all of the YouTubers. Them work not easy, you know.
Thumbs up.
Public announcement, watch all ads. Okay?